Hello traders, in this video I would like to review oil for the last 5 years with Alpha Fibonacci system. So you can see predictive, precise precision of long-term institutional Alpha Fibonacci trends and trading ranges with trend inception and trend reversal. So this is oil right now on February 14th. Oil news just came out. Oil respected key Alpha Fibonacci support. Oil had been here for the last 5 weeks. Trader who obeys Alpha Fibonacci rules knows this clearly. It's black and white. It's in front of you. But let's take a look on oil going back 6 years. So you can see how Alpha Fibonacci system identified this bullish rally many months and years in advance. Here's oil in 2016 at 29. This is day traders and investors' dream. You have opportunity to buy the ultimate bottom on oil, stocks, options, various derivatives. Rules are met, take a trade. The only obstacles it left, the end of the minor trend. This level is out, oil skyrockets, doubles in value. Many months and years ahead, you know where reversal zone on oil will be. So when oil starts selling off, there is only one obstacle left that lasted almost a year. Key Alpha Fibonacci support 64 level. But this is the power of reversal zone in front of you. This is the power of institutional reversals. You're buying the bottom and selling the top. And when 55 level is out, oil in free fall. You know many years in advance where reversal zone will be. Numbers on oil drastically lower than numbers you have seen in 2016. As intelligent trader, you understand contracts on oil change. Ninja Trader 8 converted not to continuous but to quarterly contracts on oil. So scroll forward a year ahead. 2019 sell-off showing you clearly there is only one obstacle left. This level 30 again. In 2020, it's no longer a reversal zone. It is the end of the minor trend. You have much more space to the downside. And you can see reversal zone is less than 0. This is shocking event. No one ever seen numbers below 0 on oil. So when this level is out and oil in free fall, we're looking at negative number on oil. No one had ever seen this before. It's a historical event. My incredible student in Saudi Arabia loves this moment when oil skyrockets from ultimate institutional bottom. This is the power of the system since 2016. You're buying institutional bottom, you're selling institutional top. You're taking positions on various oil stocks. You decide what you want to trade. It is 100,000% your choice. You're buying the bottom and selling the top as day trader with institutions. You're buying the bottom, you're selling the top as investor, as position trader. It is absolutely 100,000% your choice. So, when students in Saudi Arabia are doing quite well during COVID crisis, because only those who live in that country know what crash on oil did to their economy. So to see Mustafa doing this well, because he took advantage of the ultimate bottom and ultimate top on oil, we can do exact same thing. This is the power of the system. This is a very powerful quote. I love, love, love what Theo said. Trading with those powerful institutional levels is going with the market flow of the smart money. Being able to draw these levels manually, as taught in the course, is winning a battle before it's even fought. But you can do this on any stock. You can do this on Forex. You can do this on anything you choose to trade. Choice absolutely is yours. Every trader different account. Every trader different instrument. So when US index futures so overextended and very challenging to trade, move to Forex. Of course you can. These are traders this morning trading Forex. So does Denzo. And then Theo shares covered partial exit 1100 on Bitcoin. Choice is yours. What do you want to trade? As I shared in the course, students calling me and share their journeys on anything and everything they choose to trade. Can absolutely killing it on Bitcoin time and time again. Choice is yours. You decide. Is it S&P? Is it stocks? Is it options? Is it Forex? Alpha Fibonacci system identifies institutional top, institutional bottom, time and time again. And that's oil since 2016 to 2021. Oil no longer the bottom. Oil no longer the negative number. This is May contract on oil. Oil skyrocketed to 60. Could you work a couple of minutes per week? If day trading not your cup of tea, you tell me. Choice is yours. Let's look on other stocks, shall we? This is bullish rally on oil since the start of 2019 from ultimate institutional bottom at 34 level, and here is institutional sell-off from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Everyone who knows Alpha Fibonacci system knows extremely well why Apple is rallying again, and knows extremely well that this will be key moment on Apple again and again and again. So here's Apple with Alpha Fibonacci system for the last 5, actually 6 years. Here's Apple since 2015, comes out with the worst earnings in 13 years. Everyone in panic. How is it possible? Worst earnings on Apple, but Apple at key Alpha Fibonacci support. I present at hedge fund event, I say, this support is drastically more powerful than use would ever be. Apple not crashes. Apple obeys support. Apple doubles in value. This is a reason I have very happy community of traders globally. Day trading not your cup of tea. Use everything for long-term positions. Or do both, as so many traders do. Day and position trade. So when after earnings Apple reaches next level, No one is surprised. You also know many months in advance where reversal zone on Apple will be. So when Apple reaches reversal zone, intelligent trader knows 216 is the key. Apple stock in correction for months. But when this support is out, what do you see at the bottom on Apple? Reversal zone 140. You're preserving your capital. You are not watching Apple sell off. You exiting your position and looking to buy the bottom on Apple. When Apple reaches reversal zone, it's selling off again and again and again and again. This is a dance on Apple for the last 6 years with Alpha Fibonacci system. Choice is yours. Do you want to position or day trade? This is Apple now. As of course everyone knows, Apple stock split. This is a very powerful level. 140 is reversal zone. Apple crashed through this level multiple times in 2020. How to manage your position is the most important part. And that's the power of the system on Apple since 2015. So here's Bitcoin. Stock at reversal zone. Bullish rally skyrocketed from ultimate Alpha Fibonacci bottom. Of course. But right now frozen at reversal zone and massive bearish correction. Intelligent trader knows this very, very well. The most dangerous market conditions, overextended rallies. Because overextended rallies can last many, many months and years. When institutions holding longs, investors and traders tested to the core. Managing your positions is crucial. So when 78-year-old investor stopping by the room, as I played also Jeff's voicemail, he just left me last week. Jeff is my friend for life. Despite massive health problems, he's killing it. On Apple, Costco, SHW. Costco was 85%, Apple was 40%. Microsoft bought when I took your course 120%. And as he keeps updating me with his emails and voicemails, Jeff has zero interest in day trading. He loves to ski. This is his passion. He's spending very little time in front of the screen. So please identify what kind of trader are you. It's a critical part of your personal decision. If day trading becomes a little too much, do what Jeff does, would you? Do not ever force a trade. Obey the rules and the skies are the limit. It never gets old to see what's possible if you obey the rules. When complete beginner trader can do this, so can you. And that's the power of the system. Pablo trades only S&P. He has zero interest in long-term positions. He loves to day trade. When he came to me, he never pushed a button on trading platform. Never, ever. And he never even went to SIM account. Pablo is very financially stable, an incredibly disciplined human being. That's it. And that's All that matters. Obey the rules and the sky's the limit. You want to be day trader like Pablo? Or you want to be position trader like Jeff, like Ken, like any trader who chooses any instrument trader wants to trade? It is absolutely your choice. And here is my favorite part. Hedge fund manager in London tripled account. And when Andy loved systems so much, he introduced his son Dominic to me. 14-year-old boy. Within 3 weeks, Dominic started trading live. Choice is yours. Dominic knows what he will do as a career. So, our community from 14-year-old to 78-year-old showing you the sky's the limit if you obey the rules. It is that simple. The power of Alpha Fibonacci system, identifying the bottom and identifying the top. S&P hanging for dear life at brand new historical high. All identified. Hours and days in advance. That's it. Obey the rules and the sky's the limit. Do what every single one of these traders does. I exited my long-term position on S&P index fund as I mentioned weeks ago. Why? Because I simply don't have time currently right now monitoring long-term chart. We're at critical levels. Everyone clear on this? It is absolutely my personal choice. You decide what you want to do with your position. I'm still in multiple stocks. I trade my own system. I am in oil stocks. Choice is yours. I just closed my trade on Delta last week. You decide what you want to trade. Absolutely up to you. I'm not in any stocks that Jeff took. Jeff took it years ago when he was my private mentoring student. Jeff fired his financial advisor. He manages his own account. This is a software, this is a system on NinjaTrader 8. Pure and simple. I'm very proud of what I and my team has developed. Again, I developed over 30 strategies. I developed multiple fully automated software. I would never ever release that to retail traders because you are much smarter than any fully automated software will ever be. You identify institutional trading range. You identify day trading range. Bold green line means key day trading support. Bold red line means historical high resistance. This is a market in front of you. So when this afternoon I'm mentoring 11-year-old Emma, daughter of my long-term student Michael, I can't wait for Emma to beat Dominic. So if our community will expand to 11-year-old Emma, guess what? Pablo's 7-year-old son started trading the system. What is stopping you? The power of your mind, the power of simplicity and purity of Alpha Fibonacci system in front of you. At historical high on S&P. So again, this is Alpha Fibonacci system. This is a vertical rally at historical institutional resistance. Intelligent trader understands that this is a critical key moment for you. Key. Intelligent trader understands what to monitor for. Intelligent trader and investor always obeys Alpha Fibonacci rules. This level is key. Price can be stuck here for many, many, many months. Powerful pullback is key. Here's gold traders with Alpha Fibonacci system. We've been stuck at reversal zone, institutional bottom for the last 6 weeks. This is junky bullish pullback. Intelligent trader knows this. So here's gold prior to sell-off at 2000 level. This is gold summer 2020. This is gold next. Again and again and again. This is the power of the system identifying institutional top. Not just on oil, not just on Apple, not just on S&P, but on gold, on Bitcoin, on any instrument when it comes to Forex, ETFs, mutual funds. If it has a price, system applies. This is gold now. Sell off from 2000 all the way to 1700 level. Here's gold on day trading chart. This was the ultimate bottom, April 13th. We are mid-trend. Intelligent trader not buying right now. Intelligent trader demands pullback to drastically lower level. Gold been stuck between these levels for the last 3 hours. Shorts exhausted and buyers are weak. And this is gold in front of you right now on day trading chart. I convert this chart right now to 5. What do you see? Gold is stuck. This is your trading range. It is the exact same thing on Apple, on Amazon, on pound, on euro, on any instrument. You will choose to trade. Do not overcomplicate trading. Decide what instrument appropriate for you. What size account can you afford to trade? But even if you have $500 in your micro account, you can still day trade micro Dow, micro S&P. Do not ever put stress on yourself when it comes to trading. So here's short on gold in the last 2 hours with software. Precise entry, precise stop, precise targets. When bold red lines are present, your only option to short. Gold reaches critical target and reverses completely. Intelligent trader right now not touching gold. Mid-trend, the most dangerous place to be. You short either here or even better, you look to buy the bottom. Mid-trend always causes problem. That's how simple and pure software is. You are not buying bold red line, are you? You only interested in short. Price at historical high, not the place to buy. So when institutions start closing positions, you start shorting with them. You will not be interested in longs. You will only take shorts. You are very well prepared for the next crisis. You are not speculating. You are not gambling. You are making an effort now. Next crisis just around the corner. Be very well prepared. And when you do, you will enjoy buying the bottom and selling the top with Alpha Fibonacci system. No speculation here. Pure, precise, and predictive. all identified well in advance with institutional entry and exit points. You simply trade with institutions. You never ever ever trade against them. So if you decide to join us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. Listen to podcasts, do videos, students do. You can trade anything you will ever choose. Simply review all the information on the website and choose from the option appropriate for you. So on the website you can review all the information and choose from the option appropriate for you. You can view movies students made about their lives and choose from 4 options available. This is lifetime system for any platform or lifetime software for Ninja 8. In this package, it's also included as access to all the other platforms. Live classes, video modules included with every package. Private mentoring, 4 months sessions, one-on-one where I hold your hand and I polish your strengths and help you get rid of your weaknesses. Includes all group classes, includes video library, includes absolutely everything with live trading room. So please, review what students emailing me every single day. Read what students share on their reviews. Listen to their podcasts. View thousands of videos on our YouTube channel. But if you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much. If you're serious about trading, I look forward to working with you. This will be one of the smartest things you will have ever done for yourself by joining us. As Jeff, as Pablo, as Dominic, as Andy, as every single trader who made an effort has done.